Yeah, so I got my new Enkei TS-10 rims for the Yaris 2.0. This is going to be an unboxing video of the new rims. So they 17-inch rims with a 40mm offset and storm gray. All right, so let's unbox this. Sorry, I'm doing this with one hand, y'all. Set this aside. Ooh, these look nice. Look better than on the website. So it got like this metallic finish. I'm not sure if the camera, yeah, the camera could pick this up. Let's see what else. Let's take this out. Alright, so let's see what else is in here. So we got warranty, cleaning instructions. This is probably the center cap. Yeah, center cap. Made of plastic, but at least the rims look good. That's them right here. That's it, y'all. See y'all in the next video.